It's hard to imagine Japan without street food, because it feels like it is everywhere. In big countries that is hunting you, it's really hard to get past the stalls with tempting food which are on every street corner. The odor of food envelopes the entire Japan. Even those incomprehensible names written in Chinese characters cannot stop tourists, because all that street vendors offer look great and delicious. It is just so hard to pass by even you recently had a big lunch. Especially it is interesting to see the process of cooking because it happens in front of your eyes. For the lovers of Japanese food, it's kind of meditation. Okay, that virtuosity of Japanese cooking definitely captures. It is super fast and technical at the same time. Let's look into the secrets of Eastern cuisine. Gyoza. Gyoza originated in China, where they are called jiaozi. It was perfected by roasting to become a national Japanese dish and beloved by local people. But there is a difference. Jiaozi consists of ground filling wrapped into a thick rolled piece of dough, which then can be boiled. Gyoza, on the contrary, is wrapped in a thin rolled piece of dough and then is pan-fried. Pouring water helps to steam the gyoza and make it soft and juicy. Yakitori. Yakitori is a Japanese type of skewered chicken, but to be honest, it is all that one can skew and grill over a fire. Original yakitori is to be skewered chicken, but Japanese like to cook pork and beef yakitori as well. Furthermore, you can taste even octopus, scallops, calamari, and vegetable yakitori. For many Japanese, it is good food for dinner as well as a delicious beer snack. By no doubt, it is one of the popular street food in the country. Taiyaki. Japanese are experts in serving dishes. A good example is taiyaki. This is a small fish-shaped cake. The filling is custard, chocolate, or salted cheese. Looks so delicious and just begging to be eaten. Literally, it means grilled sea bream. In fact, it is Japanese-shaped cake with sweet filling. But the main appeal of it is in its cooking. They are cooked in a special pan called mold, which is shaped in the form of fish. Compared with other countries of Western Asia, you won't see street food vendors on every street corner of Japan. It is rather part of local festival or fair. Particularly that there are a lot of local holidays there. So there is a chance, especially if you set a goal. Remember, we had been calling to it from the very beginning.
www.fooddrinkmagazine.com and the YouTube channel are working day and night to provide you with all about your food and drink curiosities from around the world. We would like your help to further expand our food and beverage portfolio. Wherever you are in the world, send your food and beverage experiences to admin@fooddrinkmagazine.com in a video or article format. Let the introduce your country, region, or business, your food and drink traditions to all over the world. Thank you in advance for your contribution. Please visit our website at www.fooddrinkmagazine.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and enjoy our videos.